The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in India works for checking the air, water and noise pollution by ensuring the quality is maintained. Question often comes to our mind: who needs pollution certificate? Establishment of industry and business that generate any kind of chemical, smoke and medical waste, they have to submit application to respective state pollution control board to obtain pollution license and certificate. Question comes to our mind: what is necessary for certificate? Objection certificates are necessary. It includes consent of establishment, consent of operation and renewal of consent to operation. Remember, consent to establishment is obtained before the start of business or construction. After that, consent of operation CTO usually is valid for 5 years duration. It can vary from state to state. Every state has their own pollution board. Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB) provides guidelines for pollution control. A question arises: are the industries categorized according to the pollution? Answer is yes. There are 4 categories, that is red, orange, green and white. Categorization is based on pollution index. Red category includes big manufacturing industries, hotels, restaurants, hospitals, etc. Orange category includes medium-sized industries with high pollution. Category is for small industry with less pollution. Category practically no pollution. They don't need pollution license. For pollution control license, you can connect to us through email or mobile number. Thanks for watching and listening to my video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.